First, the European Council had a full discussion of nominations, taking into account my consultations and statements made within the European Parliament. There was no majority on any candidate.
J'ai constaté avec un certain plaisir, amusement, satisfaction, oui, bonheur, qu'il semble qu'il n'est pas très facile de me remplacer. So when you are asking what the EPP will do, ask the president of the EPP, not me.
One final question, Jurek.
Le soir.
Le soir.
But you are the vice president of the EPP.
Yes, but I didn't know it.
Yeah. Until today, yeah?
The statute foresees that you and myself, we are vice presidents. I'm not feeling it as the vice president of the EPP. Le soir.
Question to President Tusk.
That's nice. Huh? I'm giving you the floor and you're asking Donald. Okay. Invent something for me.
I think of it.
Yeah.
Is President Tusk is in the proceedings? Has your name been added to the list of names for presidency of the Commission?
No.
Fortunately, not.
Thank you. This concludes the press conference.